Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. I'm here to discuss the role of a technical architect, a key position in shaping and implementing complex technical solutions. In this presentation, we'll cover the responsibilities, required skills, tools, challenges, and overall impact of a technical architect on an organization. A technical architect, or TA, is responsible for defining and designing technical solutions that align with business goals and technical standards. This role requires a blend of deep technical expertise, strategic thinking, and leadership. Technical architects ensure that a project's technical direction supports both the immediate needs and long-term vision of the organization. Technical architects carry out a range of essential responsibilities. These include designing architectural frameworks, guiding the technical team, overseeing project progress to ensure alignment with the architectural vision, and maintaining high standards in code quality and security. They also play a crucial role in communicating technical aspects to stakeholders, bridging the gap between the technical team and business leaders. To be successful, a technical architect needs a strong technical foundation. This includes proficiency in popular programming languages like JavaScript, Python, and Java, and expertise in frameworks and platforms such as Node.js, React, and Angular. They also need to understand architecture patterns like MVC and microservices, and be skilled in cloud platforms like AWS or Azure, as well as database management systems such as SQL and NoSQL. Alongside technical skills, a technical architect must have strong soft skills. Leadership is critical, as they need to guide and mentor the development team. They must also be strategic thinkers, able to analyze complex requirements and design scalable solutions. Problem-solving skills are essential for troubleshooting technical issues, and clear communication is needed to work effectively with both technical and non-technical stakeholders. A technical architect relies on core architectural principles and design patterns to create efficient, scalable systems. Principles like SOLID help with maintainability, while patterns like microservices ensure scalability. Other patterns, such as event-driven architecture, are useful for managing real-time data. Design patterns like singleton and factory allow for reusable, standardized solutions within applications. The technical architect's role spans the entire project lifecycle. In the initiation phase, they analyze requirements and make technology selections. During the planning phase, they define the architectural strategy and roadmap. In execution, they guide development and monitor progress to ensure high code quality. Finally, in the maintenance phase, they oversee deployments and troubleshoot issues as needed. Technical architects work with a suite of tools and technologies. Version control tools like Git and GitHub are essential for collaborative work, while CI/CD tools such as Jenkins and Circle CI help automate deployment. Monitoring and logging tools like Prometheus and Grafana are important for keeping track of system health. Additionally, collaboration tools such as Jira and Slack support communication and project management across the team. The role of a technical architect is not without challenges. Balancing innovation with stability is often difficult, as new technologies need to be implemented without compromising the system. Designing for scalability can also be complex, as the system must accommodate future growth. Security is a top priority as well, and technical debt in legacy systems can be challenging to manage. Finally, working with cross-functional teams requires consistent collaboration and communication. A skilled technical architect can have a substantial impact on business outcomes. By streamlining processes, they enhance efficiency across the organization. High-quality systems lead to satisfied end users and increased customer retention. Furthermore, by optimizing resources and reducing technical debt, a technical architect can help reduce overall costs. Scalable systems also allow a business to grow and adapt to changing needs over time. For those interested in becoming a technical architect, there's a clear career path. Entry-level roles include junior developer and system administrator, leading to mid-level positions like senior developer or solutions engineer. From there, one can move into the technical architect role. Advanced roles include lead architect, and at the executive level, there's the potential to become a chief architect or even a CTO, depending on career aspirations and performance. Thank you all for your attention and interest in learning about the role of a technical architect. I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have or discuss specific aspects of the role in more detail.